Open house. Wala rin police ang Kenya, pero number 4. Number 4.
You can grab a passport as well. If you want a color.
Conveyance. Try mo itong forklift. Try mo yung ano, forklift.
Feel driving every day?
Yeah.
Look right down in the middle. Yeah, one hand on that thing and then one hand on the wheel. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Just go stay. That's it.
Lalawikin, masabal ka. Okay na.
Malayo pa tayo sa ano?
Malayo pa sa kabilang baryo pa yun.
Ang layo po pala. Sa kabilang baryo pa daw yung
Paano ang alahati?
ano
Wala
niya?
pa.
Lugar niya. May vending machine sa loob ng ano. Cool. What a peak.
Hood. Hood. Conveyance kan kanyan ning bala mo lang itong mag-deliver parts karang bawat section. Kaya ba't itong gaga ng bala mo itong sinekin mo nandin pero atin mo rin itong mas malate kaya ba't guguyod na lang mga nyan atin mo rin karetang electric na yan di rin gaga.
Yan din yun ano, parang robot.
Wow.
Japan.
Oh, it's Toyota eh. Oo, mga nangyaragulin kaya. South Japan. Yung North mas naragulin. Parts. Lomo na aking kiruk kay bating pangkaya o reception. Pa reception. Nani ke? Nani? Tani kiram ko. Kaya ni katabat. Kaya, di ba? Ay tayo katawo.
Hi.
Ay tayo katawo.
Took the car from the upper conveyor and put it down into this install and
Alright.
QC conveyor. So after the car, the body frame
Yeah.
welded together in that area, it will be brought to that area.
Down
This
here.
I will take care of. Bring it
Okay.
there, and the doors, hatch.
Like
After that.
alright.
And the guys on the this line will inspect for any defects.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll inspect the walls, we'll inspect
Yeah.
the body.
Yeah, yeah.
And it will be sent. There is another robot on the other side.
robot,
But you take it and put it up on another conveyor to the
All
pins.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Like you put it together and then gonna come down here
Yeah.
to check like for the defects and everything. If it's good, then you're gonna lift that
And
up
they will,
back again.
It will not come with the doors and hatch. And
Yeah.
So you will install everything here.
Okay, like the body frame first.
Inspect it and send it to the paint. So this is the
So the-
Southwell final products. Will look
All
like.
right. Okay. Okay. So like the hatch, the doors, and the hood, they are painted separately, right?
They are what?
They are painted separately.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah.
The doors.
Yeah.
But the hatch and the
And the wood
yeah.
we're all together with the frame. Okay, great. Yeah. Wow.
Is it painted? I think no. Everything will be painted together.
All at the same
Then
time.
we will take the doors
Awesome.
because it's easy, I think, for the install guys to put everything inside while
Everything.
the door
Yeah.
is not
Exactly.
there. Yeah.
Exactly. That's right.
And
Yeah.
I think some point we will rejoin everything
Yeah.
together and
Okay. Great. Wow. Thanks. Thank you.
good.
Have a good day.
Doors, hatch, yeah. After that, the guys will here and will inspect for any defects.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll inspect the walls, we'll inspect the shell. And there's another robot on the other side.
Hoist, set it on the Manomi rack. The Manomi rack brings that all the way down.
Engine. Itong pepaitan kita nandun. Dapat sa pa-lift din, di ba? Happy niyang buo na yung engine. Itong, karito sabi ako, itong electric. Wow.
There's a second for this one. When it turns red, you can let that move too. Now, try that.
Sapit. Kanyang AI, kaya kumagobra kanyang AI.
Dari na no. Something lang.
Karing ko daot kin rostrain kitang AI. QC na to bale, QC. Alos patapos na yung mga kotse dito. QC. So yan, naka mga under chassis, tapos doon yung ito yung mga rear tawag dito. Under chassis yung pang likod, yung sa pang likod na yun. Yun mo yan. Yun mo, diba? Pano roof, moonroof. Installation ng pag-install ng likod ng parang rear differential something. Ayan. nagde-deliver lang parts na itong sensitive parts usually. Wah, kini kaya kami tari-tari mic. Wah. Pero kini final assembly line. Final assembly line. Teta na mo kanto mo itang glass nga install da kini mga yan. Kaya kini kaya kumago bro. Kaya pining talwini bayo milipat yung sales. So kini ko. Punta lang tanim po tayo. Kini tayo. Final assembly, diba? Kini ko. Water leak. Papat ang airbag ka rin. Kaya pumago bro. Water leak airbag.
Yes, please take a button, sign us